Hey guys and girls, this is me Saima. Today we are going to learn about the classification of elements. Here I have classified elements on the basis of their metallic characters as metals, non-metals and metalloids. The example of metals is gold, the example of non-metals is carbon and the example of metalloids is antimony. So what are metals? Metals has many unique properties including conductivity. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are sonorous, they are malleable, they are ductile, and they have good mechanical strength. So why metals lose electron? Metals lose electron in order to attain stability. What is stability? Stability is anything which is gained by completing the outermost shell or by emptying the outermost shell. Any element which can easily lose its electron to empty the valence shell, they will lose electron, and any element which can easily gain electron in order to complete the valence shell, they will gain electron. Any element which has smaller number of electrons in its outermost shell, they will always lose electron in order to get stability. So here you can see the element which has only one electron in its valence shell. In order to get stability, it will lose the one electron. Take an example. Here you have a metal in which there is only one electron in its valence shell. So in order to gain stability, it will lose this one electron instead of gaining the 7 electrons. So by losing one electron, it will get a positive charge and known as cation. For knowing more about that, I have classified elements as ions. When any element loses electron or gains electron, it forms an ion. Specifically, if element loses electron, it is known as cation, which is positively charged ion. And when any element gains electron, it becomes anion, which is negatively charged ion. So, metals always forms cation by losing electron, and non-metals always forms anion by gaining electron. The loss or gain of electron by any element is known as ion. Therefore, what are non-metals? Non-metals are poor conductivity materials. They are non-sonorous, they are non-lustrous, non-ductile, and brittle. Why non-metals gain electron? This is have the same reason that in order to gain stability. Now you can see here in valence shell there are 7 electrons. So in order to complete the valence shell, it only needs 1 electron. So it is easy for a non-metal to gain an electron. Here you can see there are 4 electrons in the outermost shell. So it is easy for a non-metal to gain the remaining few electrons in order to attain the stability. Taking an example, here are 7 electrons in the outermost shell and there is only need to gain 1 electron. So the element gets 1 electron and forms an anion. Moving towards the metalloids. Metalloids are known as the semi-metals or the semi-non-metals because they have both the characteristics of metals and non-metals. They are semiconductors, they are usually shiny and brittle. In periodic table, the elements are arranged as follows, like there are much greater number of metals than non-metals and metalloids. Red color indicates metals, yellow metalloids, and the blue non-metals. For more details, wait for the next video.